Hello, dear students. This is Rajiv Kumar Sharma, your maths teacher. As you have seen the previous video of this chapter, coordinate geometry. Okay, I think we have discussed about the how to plot a point on the graph paper, right? That day I told you axes intersect to each other at a point as shown in this figure. This is O, and this point O is known as the origin, and all the points which will be located by us, that will depend upon the origin. Depends upon the origin means the location of the point should be irrespective to the origin. Coordinate of the origin always be taken as 0 comma 0. Again, as the uh, review, or you must say recap, I would like to say this is first quadrant. All the points which is lying in the first quadrant will be plus and plus. This is second quadrant. This is minus and plus. The points lying in this third quadrant, minus minus, and the points which will lie in the fourth quadrant, that is plus comma minus sign. There were two more points as an important point. If the point is lying at the x-axis, either this side of the origin, right side of the origin, or left of the origin, at x-axis y always be 0, and at y-axis x will be 0. Okay, these are the points to be remembered to understand this chapter and this exercise. So let's do the question number 1 of exercise 3.1. See this, these points are given in the NCERT book as exercise. Locate the points minus 2 comma 4, 3 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 2, minus 3 comma minus 5. So one side I have noted down the points, other side this is the location of the points in Cartesian plane, or you may say Cartesian system. Okay, got it? So locate this minus 2 comma 4 means abscissa is negative, ordinate is positive. It is very clear. See this one, minus comma plus, so definitely this point should be in the which quadrant? Second quadrant. Similarly, go for the next question. 3 comma minus 1, here 3 means abscissa and this one is the ordinate. Abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative, and such kind of the condition is there in the fourth quadrant, positive plus comma minus. So this should be in the fourth quadrant. Minus 1 comma 0, this is a special case, because ordinate is being 0. If ordinate means y, value of y, if value of y means this will lie at the x-axis. And one more thing, abscissa is negative, therefore this should be in the left side. So the correct answer is left side of origin at x-axis, left side of the origin at x-axis, right? Now 1 comma 2 both are positive, then this is first quadrant, and this is minus comma minus means minus 3 comma minus 5. So in the third quadrant both are negative, abscissa as well as ordinate, so this should be third one, right? So in this way we have plotted the points very easily. You can plot these points. To verify the answer, take the graph paper, plot these points on that graph paper and paste it in the notebook. One more question is there in this exercise 3.3, that is question number 2. So that question number 2 will be the maths IP. Okay, got it? This chapter is very easy. Some technical points again I would like to discuss some questions as the MCQ based. So do the remaining questions in your notebook, and the next video by tomorrow we will discuss the MCQ of this chapter. Thank you.